Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm back again with another strategy. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you simple strategy that you can use to take candlesticks and spike. You can equally use this strategy to trade volatility index also. So guys, let's dive into our settings. Guys, we have to click. Here is our settings icon. Guys, you click it, you click your setting icon, you add your fractal is default setting, apply any style of your choice, you click done. Our next moving average on the main chart is moving average 34 exponential close, then you apply to any style of your choice, you click done. Our next indicator is window 1. We have our relative strength index. The only thing we need here now is our level, so make sure you apply your style, any color of the background you are using in your trading market, you apply it there. So I'm using white, I applied white. So you, if you are using black, you applied black. Then what we need is the level. We need 80, we need 20. Then you apply to any style of your choice, you click done. The next moving average is Stochastic Oscillator. Is default settings, guys. I did not add anything. It's default setting. So put yours in default setting. You click done. So guys, let's dive into this strategy. It's very simple strategy if you follow the rules. But once you did not follow the rules, guys, you are going to lose. But before you use this strategy, always use your demo account to test it and make sure that the strategy works for you before you will use it for your real account. So guys, here is the strategy. You are going to wait and make sure that your moving average on the main chart, the candlestick crosses above it, and it will show you that the market is buying. This is buying signal. So what else are you looking at? Whenever you see this thing above, then you will know that it's about for you to sell. So you now wait for your stochastic index to come below the 20 level and crosses over below the 20 level. When it crosses over below the 20 level, as long as your candlestick is above the moving average on the main chart, you take 5 candlestick or 4 candlestick. Don't take more than that. Just take candlestick 5 on your 15 minutes time frame, that you will take the 5 candlestick. As long as this condition, these two conditions met, then you are good to go. Take 4 or 5 candlestick. You leave the market, you wait for another opportunity. Guys, let's check for sell. This one now is spike. You will take 5 candlestick in 15 minutes time frame. It was a lot, guys. You leave the market. So let's check if we will see sell, guys. Let's check if we can see sell. Don't hurry in this market. Always make sure you wait for this condition to come. Don't hurry, because if you hurry, the market will take your money away from you. But when you wait for your condition to come to you, guys, you will make the money. So guys, here is the sell of it, guys. As you can see, our candlestick is below the moving average on our main chart. All the candlestick is below, and now we are looking for our stochastic here crossing over above the 80 level. Then you pick 4 or 5 candlestick, you leave the market. As simple as that, guys. When you look at this strategy, does it work or not? Guys, this strategy works, but when you follow the instruction, it will work perfectly for you, guys. So let's check another. Let's go to crash 1000 and check if we can see crash 1000, guys. Here is our crash 1000. Let's check what is happening there, guys. This is our crash 1000 index. Let's check if we can see any good signal here, guys. I am not in hurry. I always wait for it to come to pass. Guys, here is another good strategy, guys. Here is another one. Guys, take 5 candlestick or 4 candlestick whenever this condition comes to your doorstep. You take it like that. You leave the market and wait for another good opportunity. As simple as that, guys. You can also use it. Boom, 500 crash 500. So guys, let's check volatility index before we close this video, because this video I want it to be very short. So yeah, guys, this is our volatility index 10. So let's check volatility index. If we can see that strategy here, let's watch it, guys. Watch. We are searching for it. Always wait for your condition to meet. Don't rush. Don't say this one let me just try this one. If you just try that one, you lose your money. So guys, here is another good opportunity. Here is another one. Our stochastic index, our stochastic oscillator crosses above the 80 level, and as you can see, our candlestick is below the moving average on our main chart. So guys, take 5 candlestick or 4 candlestick, you leave this market. So guys, in case if you are new to this channel, my name is Blessing, and the name of my channel is Ajibo Blessing. And the name of my channel is BB Forex Trading. So guys, in case if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to leave without subscribing to my channel. Please click that subscribe button, like the video, share the video to your loved ones, and see you guys.